Welcome to the RinFire tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to use the RinFire Somatosensory gaming gun on a game console. First, find the adapter from the package. Then, find the control center. Plug the control center into the adapter. Find the original controller for PlayStation or Xbox. One thing to keep in mind is that you need to power off the original controller or remove the battery before connecting it. Connect the original controller for PlayStation or Xbox to the adapter with the USB cable. Now the connecting part is complete. Let's start turning on the game console. Turn on the game console. Plug the adapter's cable into the USB port of the game console. After waiting for a few seconds, the indicator light on the adapter will flash with a breathing light, and LED number 1 on the control center will light up, which means the connection is successful. Power on the gaming gun. Now you can use the RinFire gaming gun to control the PlayStation or Xbox console. At this point, the gaming gun has been successfully connected to the game console. Now enter the game. You can use the joystick and buttons on the gaming gun to enter the game. Once we enter the game, we can already use the joystick and buttons to control the movement of the character. But we cannot use the somatosensory function yet. Every time before we use the somatosensory function, we need to perform a crosshair calibration. First, you need to point the muzzle to the center of the screen in the position that you'll use to play. If you play like this, calibrate it like this. If you play like this, calibrate it here. Press and hold the mark button on the gaming gun, then the control center will make a beep sound. Wait for the sound to end, release the mark button, and you can use the RinFire gaming gun. Now that the somatosensory function is available, you're able to use the gaming gun properly. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.